Vande Mataram students. Today we will be starting a new topic, the two virtues. So let us start. Let us start studying the vocabulary of this chapter, fair-mindedness. That means its ability to treat everyone equally. Now Birbal was having an ability that he always treat people equally. Proximity, closeness. Now as we all know that Akbar was very close to Birbal. Resolve a dispute. Solve a fight. Now whenever there is a fight between two people, it is called how to resolve a dispute. Huzur is used in presence of superior person. Now it is an Urdu word and it is used for maybe a king or a minister of that kingdom.
Start.
Few other vocabularies are Mohar, coin used in olden days. Okay, olden days. Now in olden days, like Raja Maharaja, they used to use the gold coin. So it is called as Mohar, mound. Old unit of weight. Now we have kilograms, but in the olden days they used to say mound. River, speak angrily. Humanity, people in general.
Start.
Okay. So I will be starting with the chapter. So to start with the chapter Two Merchants. Now this story is about a Birbal and two merchants and how Birbal helped both of them as it was a dispute between both of them. Now as we all know that Birbal was known for his keen intelligence, and keen intelligence means he was very intelligent, and Birbal was very close to Birbal, and whenever he has a issue, Akbar, he always used to take help of Birbal. When even the Akbar was not there in the kingdom, the people of that uh, village used to go to Birbal for help because he was very intelligent and he was not at all partial. He used to treat all the people equally. Now one day what happened? This Ramchand has given money to his friend Jabal Prasad, 1500 rupees, but he has not taken any receipt. That means he has lent the money to his friend because he thought that he will be in his words and he will return the money to Ramchand after 6 months. But Jabal Prasad was not an honest person. He has not returned the money to Ramchand. So he went to Birbal to take his help or to take an advice to what to do. Now Birbal told Ram Prasad that whatever you are telling me, is it true? So he said, yes, whatever I'm saying, it's true, and I have given him 1500 rupees, but now he is denying that I have not taken any money. So Birbal told him that why you have not taken any written note from your friend. So he said, that is the only problem, Huzur, that I have given him the money, but I have not taken any written note. So Birbal said, okay, now one thing you can do is you just write it down in a piece of paper, whatever you are telling me, and I will see what can I do. So Ramchand has given a written note or a written thing on a piece of paper to Birbal that he has given 1500 rupees to Jabal Prasad and before 6 months, and he is not returning the money to Ramchand. Now the Birbal has a written note from Ramchand that he has lent the money to Jabal Prasad. Now he is thinking what to do before taking any decision or just being very partial that Ramchand is telling the truth or Jabal Prasad is not an honest man. He thought, let me call Jabal Prasad. So he called Jabal Prasad and asked him that Ramchand has given a written note to me that you have taken money 1500 rupees from Ramchand and you're not returning it back. So Jawal Prasad is like totally, he was shocked and he's like, no, no, Sir Huzur, it is not possible that I have taken amount from Ramchand. He is totally, I totally deny that. And I know his shop is not working well, is not doing well. So, but this is not a way to take money from the friend, no. But I totally deny. So he showed Birbal showed the written note to Jawal Prasad, but still he keeps on denying that I have not taken any amount or any money from Ramchand. So even he added that if I have taken any amount, there should be a written note, there should be a receipt. He should have given me a receipt or a witness for a transaction. So Birbal says that that is the only problem, that he trusted you and he has given you, but you are not returning it back. You said, no, no, Huzur, it is really, it is not correct that I have taken the amount. So Birbal said, it's okay. Now I'm really very sorry to call you and to waste your time. Thank you very much for coming and me. After a few days, Birbal called his servant and he told him that I'm giving you 2 jars of ghee. You need to give this to Ramchand and Jawal Prasad and tell them that they have to sell the ghee after checking the purity of the ghee. If they think that the ghee is pure, they can sell it at a higher rate, and if they think that the ghee is not pure, they can just reduce the price. So the servant went and gave the 2 jars, one to Jawal Prasad and one to Ramchand. Now, for knowing when you want to know the purity of the ghee, you need to melt the ghee. So they started melting the ghee. When the Jawal Prasad and Ramchand were melting the ghee, both of them have found a gold mohar, that is a gold coin inside the ghee. When Ramchand got the gold coin, he removed it and he thought that I should return it to Birbal because I think it must have fallen it by mistake. So it's not mine, I should not take it. So he just kept it safely and he thought I'll return it to Birbal. Now the same thing happened to Jawal Prasad. But Jawal Prasad removed the gold coin from the melted ghee, from the jar of the ghee, and he gave it to his son and he told him that I'm giving you this gold coin and whenever I ask you, give it to me and till then you keep it safely with you. Now this son used to help Jawal Prasad in his business. And it happened then after few days, Ramchand has sold all the amount of ghee, whatever was there with him, and he went to Birbal and he returned all the money to Birbal. After some time, he went, Jawal Prasad. Now Jawal Prasad went and he gave a smaller amount. Now he's saying that I have received only this much amount of money because I was having only 1.5 pound of ghee. How is it possible that Ramchand is giving higher amount to Birbal and he is giving smaller amount? So Birbal came to know that Jawal Prasad is not an honest man. But Jawal Prasad was saying, no, no, Huzur, this much I received only this much amount of money. You can ask my son. Even he helps me in my business. So then Birbal thought, okay, let me call your son. So Birbal, he did not say anything to Jawal Prasad. He went inside. He told his servant to go and call his Jawal Prasad's son and tell him that you bring that gold coin as well. So when he came, his son, he carried the gold coin and he gave. So Birbal asked him, where is the gold coin? So the son, he gave the gold coin to Birbal. When he was giving, Jawal Prasad got angry. Why you are giving this gold coin to Birbal? So he said, because this gold coin we have found from after melting the ghee. So his Jawal Prasad got angry and he said, no, who told you? We got it from one of my customer has given me and it was not there from the jar of the ghee. But he said, no, Papa, I think you are telling me, I think you have mistaken. Don't you remember that when we were melting this ghee, we have found this gold coin? Then Birbal came in between and he said, "Yes, Jawar Prasad, your son is an honest boy. He is telling me the truth, but you are totally denying it." So now Jawar Prasad came to know that he has that now he has to confess. So he started thinking that let I think my memory is playing trick on me. I'm not able to recollect what have happened. I think my son is telling me the truth. Now he is saying his son that we need to return this gold coin to Birbal. So he returned the gold coin, and Birbal also told him that I know that you have taken money from Ramchand. Now you have to return the money to Ramchand. But as a punishment, you need to double the amount. So uh, Jabal Prasad has Jabal Prasad have to do that. So he has Jabal Prasad. Now he told Jabal Prasad to return the money. So Jabal Prasad returned the money to Ramchand, as well as he has given the amount to Birbal, which was left with him after that the lesser amount he has given no to Birbal. So the amount which he has kept with himself, he has returned it to Birbal. Now, this is how smartly the Birbal has solved the dispute between two merchants. Thank you.